Wow, just received this package from Extra Butter India. Beautifully packed. Extra Butter India, one of the best online stores right now in India to buy hype sneakers on retail. It's a New York based company, now in India too. And this is a beautiful custom box. This is the Adidas Bad Bunny Last Campus. Sliding box comes with this shoe bag, which is very useful, with this Bad Bunny and Adidas logo too. Wow, here's the shoe, double wrapped in paper, and wow, what a beautiful sneaker. The quality, I can just feel it on my hands. Such high quality, and the color combination is so beautiful. Here's Adidas Last Campus Bad Bunny. You have this Bad Bunny and Adidas collaboration logo. You have this beautiful brown, chocolate brown suede, coffee brown suede with this cream beige midsole and outsole. Double tongue, has this herringbone pattern in the outsole, and the quality is really good. Look at the suede. Double tongue, very soft, chunky. Got this extra chocolate brown color laces. Have this pink insole with Adidas and Bad Bunny. Got this eye on the tongue, double heel. Wow, has this rubber kind of material to give it a chunky look on the sides. Very solid rubber. Outsole, 3 stripes in leather, and the rest is suede. Beautiful looking shoe with this all eye on the tongue. Just loving it. This is my first impression. I was having some confusion with the size, but I went true to size and it fits perfectly. So for Bad Bunny Last Campus, you should go for true to size for Indian feet. It is not a very soft shoe. It looks like a very soft shoe, but it's a solid pair with firm outsole and midsole. Here's the on-fit look. It's looking beautiful. Very chunky sneakers. I'm wearing it with the Soul Store super baggy fit jeans. And here's the on-fit look. And it is looking beautiful. Chunky sneaker. Beautiful color combination. Here's the box. You can see Adidas logo, Bad Bunny logo on the uppers and the sides too. Here's all the information. It's a solid shoe. It looks like a very soft pillow type shoe, but it's not. Let me show you some micro details. Beautiful hairy suede to give you that bunny look. That is why it's named Bad Bunny. So they have given very hairy suedes. Very high quality, very premium. The shoe speaks premium all over. You can see this is a rubber type of material on the sides. Here is the midsole. Here is the tag. Here is the lace with pink tips with BB written on it. Bad Bunny logo on it. Cream color laces. Looks perfect with this. Double tongue. You can detach the tongue. And here is the hairy suede. Look at the texture. Just like a bunny. Very high quality suede. This is just a rough impression. I recorded this on my phone when I just received the shoe. So the quality may not be that high. I was not having storage, so I recorded it at a very low quality. But this is my first impression. I'll be making a detailed video on the channel very soon, and I'll talk more about it. So like the video, subscribe to the channel. We'll be making more sneaker related and fashion related videos, and enjoy the on-fit look. Like, subscribe. See you soon.